Okay, so I want to take a minute to show how I'm using the Transcribe GPT with Smart Connect to handle my notes that I take on note cards. So I'll show you here. So I have note cards, a bunch of note cards on the table. Um, what I do is I take a picture with the ChatGPT app. So we can, this is part of my process as I open up the notes. And so I have this note here. I took the picture. I just, you see the Smart Connect Transcribe Notes GPT. That should be accessible if you search for it in the GPT store. And then it makes, or I can probably do one better. I should be able to click this link here, and then it opens up the transcribed note in Obsidian. So then I keep this open here so I can go back and forth. I like adding do for desired outcome, but it's also kind of like a double entendre, to do the damn thing. And then, in case anything messes up, I have the image for reference right there. A lot of times the things that I'm fixing is like these sub bullets. I like them to be tabbed in. I could probably fix that with a prompt in the GPT, but I haven't done that. So I'm just going through here. So I'm on the second image. So each additional image uses this AI change UX, so you can like accept or reject the change. In this case, I'm not really using the AI change UX for accepting and rejecting. Obviously, like it's either all or nothing. But the reason I like to still use it is because then I can easily see when I'm getting on to the next image with multiple note cards. So, I just got through there, so I can, go back and check. Okay, so like this one was supposed to be a one-liner, minus the Y there. Okay, so, then I can open up the next card, check that out, fix it up, but that's pretty much it. I have a couple more images there that I'll get to after this video to keep it short. But, so this is my write on note cards all day and then, transcribe into Obsidian real quick. Taking those pictures with the ChatGPT app is pretty quick. And I could probably add more into each image, but I like to keep them pretty short so it's easier for this review stage to make sure I don't lose any important details. But overall, it does a great job. So I would say the majority of the fixing up I'm doing is just formatting, like I showed with the sub bullets, getting tabbed in and adding the do. But that also is another kind of trick for me to know what I've already reviewed. If it has the do, then I can be pretty sure that I reviewed it. Or sometimes I might just quick throw these, throw a group into a note that it's going to end up in anyway. But without the do, I know, okay, I should review this a little extra. Okay, that's the video. That's how I do my transcribing of note cards and managing them in Obsidian. Thanks for watching.